Good morning. Today we are starting on another project. We are building a chicken run because in March we get to pick up 50 meat chickens. This will be our first time. Oh my goodness. There we go. Our first time raising meat birds, which I'm excited about. We've been talking about it for a while. But they need somewhere to live. And Ethan is building a chicken tractor currently. So I'm gonna go find him and see how far he's gotten. Cute. Ethan got a haircut and he shaved his facial hair, so he looks so different now.
I need a haircut.
You got like some.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, you're sweating. Wow, your hands are huge. That water bottle looked tiny. You're not gonna be able to stand up in it, but I can.
No, but I had
I can.
to buy wood. I didn't want to buy wood.
Yeah. Oh, it looks cute. And you're gonna put a roof on it?
Yeah, that's what I'm putting the bathroom right now. Hang it.
Cute.
The only thing I don't have is a little short ridge cap, which I'll get next time I go get feed, and little black trim stuff. But I might have some of that in the trash. In the trash can.
We just spray it with something like clear.
Freaking spray paint. I don't care.
Yeah. Oh. Sending me to go get some stuff. Let's see. I don't even know what he needed. This. Maybe. I don't know. You think it'll fit 50 of them? Not when they're all big and fat.
No, I mean, it'll fit 50 chicks. But think about 50 full-size chickens.
Yeah.
So it's going to be...
So right now, this is 2 square foot per bird. Right?
Which for, little chickies, it's fine. It's just...
Well, we're also going to move it, more
Yeah,
than
we're
once a
moving
day.
it.
So it's not like they're going to be sitting in one spot.
And don't judge it too much. Just scrap it that I had laying around. I didn't want to spend any money.
I think it's cute. And he's going to put metal, black metal. It's going to be cute. Oh, that feels great. The mini split. Feels good. I'm going to let him finish working on that because he's on a roll. And I'm just going to keep talking to him. And I'm going to show y'all all the cows. They are doing great. They just sit and sunbathe and eat grass and then come up to eat at the end of the day. Yes?
I was going to get water. Didn't know if you wanted to run.
Got Harper up with her sucker. We're gonna go check on Dada. The goats. That's cute. The door's cute. It looks good. Chore time. Ready to do some chores? So we got the pigs out of the barn. They are now living with the goats for now until we get a pig fence built. We have a lot to do. All right, it's the next day. Ethan's got the roof finished out. He's got the ridge cap on, and we went and bought chicken wire the other day, and we're just gonna cover the edges, the front and that side. Chicken wire. He put a roosting bar in the middle. It's almost ready to go. Here's all the mamas, or mamas to be. All the babies are doing great also. They tend to stay back right over that first knoll for like 20 minutes after all the moms come up. But now I'm gonna go find Harper. I think she wandered off over by the goats and the pigs and the dogs and everybody. What are you doing? Hi. Going to get eggs. Don't touch him, he's not very nice. They all just followed me over here. Uh-oh, what'd you do? Did you fall? Our chicken's favorite treat is turning the water hose on and just letting it run. And they've got water in there. They just really like when it's turned on out here. It's not even that cold today, but the wind makes it feel so much colder. I think it's gonna get up to like 65 though. So that'll be nice and fun. Ethan's working on the chicken tractor. We're gonna go check on him. He's working on the chicken wire part right now. We found the dada. I've got my teeth whiteners in, so I can't really talk. But Harper just put her shoes on all by herself because she wanted to go outside. So she did it.
Why the heck would that not just shoot?
It looks good. What you think?
There we go.
What? Dada's working. You got the door built.
We just gotta go out and get hinges.
Chicken wire.
And some kind of...
Are you helping Dada? That's a perfect size for you, Harper. Oh, I know what you can build her next. A playhouse.
One thing after another, after another.
That's what you signed up for when you bought a ring, honey. Is that the remote? You mean to drive you around? Turn it on. Uh-oh, it might be dead. We gotta charge it. Wow, Harper took a nap. Ethan finish this up. So here are the wheels that will help it roll. He hung the door and the locks. And then I think there's a handle, yeah, on this side to help pull it. And it's done. We are getting 50 meat birds, and this is a 10 by 10 run. So we are going to be processing 25 at like 8 weeks, and then the other 25 around 10 to 12 weeks, just so it doesn't get so crowded in there. Oh, and he also built me some more raised beds because he had some time. Now he's lighting fires in the back. I'm gonna go show you all those. We pick up the meat birds early March, I think. And I think they're Cornish crosses, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm excited because I'm tired of eating processed junk. You know how bad that stuff makes you feel? And I know it's not feasible for everybody to raise their own meat and, you know, have an extravagant garden and do all of it. But, you know, if you can find a farmer who does this and sells it, I highly recommend buying local and knowing what's going in your body, because you're just going to feel so much better when you do. Oh my goodness, how many fires did he light? Hang on. They've been burning a while. We had Vince come back today and take some more down. It's starting to get a lot thinner over there. 1, 2, 3, 4 piles. There's where it's gonna be. Cannot wait. We have a lot more happening. I feel like every time we say that we have a lot more happening, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and the list gets longer. We've got an equipment barn that needs to go up. We have got the other lean-to on the barn we've got to build. We are slowly working on my garden because we didn't do much to it last year, and I would like to finish that. We have got a flower field we need to plant, and we are working on Harper's big girl room. So maybe one of those will be the next video. I don't know, but we'll see y'all later.